Mama Tando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Ngingumama uThando. Lo nguKhomba. Wena ungubani? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Mngani, let's sing the Sawubona song and greet all our friends around the world. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani, unjani? How do you say, I am feeling cold in isiZulu? Yebo mngani, ngiyagodola. Even though to say it is cold, as in the weather is cold, we say liyabanda. But when we are now talking about ourselves, or even any other living thing, an animal, a pet maybe, we'll say ngiyagodola. If it's the dog, iyagodola. You see, so we don't say ngiyabanda, but rather ngiyagodola. Now, mngani, I would like to sing imizwa yethu with you so that you can also answer the question, unjani? Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani? Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani? Ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule? Wena uyaphila, yena unjani? Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe unene? Yena uyaphila, bona banjani? Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile? Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani? Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule? Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. Now, mngani, can you answer my question? Unjani? Ngiyajabula ukuzwa lokho. I am so happy to hear that, mngani. Mngani, linjani izulu namhlanje where you are? Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje, liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? Linjani izulu namhlanje mngani? Go ahead and check that your window and come back and tell me. Don't worry, I'll be right here mngani. Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje, liyabanda, liyashisa, Usubuyile already? Okay. Linjani izulu namhlanje? Oh, that sounds good. I would like to find out what the weather is like here, where Mama Tando's isiZulu classroom is. Mngani, let's call the imaginary window. By the way, how do we call him? Yebo mngani, that's correct. Let's say it together. Imaginary window. Woza. Oh, he's here. Sawubona imaginary window. Ngicela ukubona emnyango. overcast and cold. I can tell you that right now because I can feel it. It's cold and overcast. Siyabonga, imaginary window. Let's thank the imaginary window for showing us outside. Let's say ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. Hamba kahle. Ngani, it's overcast and it's also cold. How do we say it is overcast and it is also cold in isiZulu? That's correct, Mngani. Liguqubele futhi liyabanda. Let's put that on the board, Mngani. It's very long. It went all the way over there. Now, Mngani, let's read it. Namhlanje izulu liguqubele futhi liyabanda. Very, very good, Mngani. Great job. It is overcast and cold. Liguqubele futhi liyabanda. Very good, Mngani. Now, Mngani, we are in winter in the southern hemisphere, eningizimu in the south. Winter in isiZulu is ubusika. Ubusika. Remember that B sound. B, b, b. Ubusika. A season in isiZulu is called isikhathi. Isikhathi sonyaka. Now, Mngani, answer this question for me. Ulwesingaki namhlanje? Well, I think for us to answer that question, we must first sing the days of the week. That will just refresh our memory with the days, right? Let's sing it. Shalalati. Wekomba. Mngani, for this song, you can either clap your hands, snap your fingers, stamp your feet, chikiza, whatever you feel like doing, Mngani, as long as you're safe and also remembering those days of the week. Let's start. Yisonto umsombuluko, lwesibili ulwesithathu, lwesine ulwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time, but faster. Yisonto umsombuluko, lwesibili ulwesithathu, lwesine ulwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Wonderful, Mngani. Now, I think you can answer my question. Ulwesingaki namhlanje? That's correct, Mngani. Ulwesihlanu. It's Review Friday! Ulwesihlanu, ulwesihlanu, ulwesihlanu namhlanje. Ulwesihlanu, ulwesihlanu, ulwesihlanu namhlanje. Yebo! Wonderful, Mngani. Let's put that on the board. Now, Mngani, here are some delicious looking ice cream scoops. Let's count them together. Kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye, ishumi, ishumi nanye, ishumi nambili, ishumi nantathu. Wonderful, mngani. That was great. 13 ice cream scoops. Now, here is a farmer's truck. Let's count how many pumpkins the farmer is carrying. Pumpkins, that's one of the first few words we learned in our isiZulu classroom. Ithanga is a pumpkin. Amathanga, pumpkins. Now, let's count together. Kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye, yishumi, yishumi nanye, yishumi nambili, yishumi nantathu, yishumi nane, yishumi nanhlanu. 15 pumpkins. How do we say 15 pumpkins in isiZulu? Remember, pumpkins, amathanga. That is correct, mngani. Amathanga ayishumi nanhlanu. Very, very good, mngani. Wonderful work. Now, mngani, the sound of this week is made by the two consonants C and H. Now I'm going to listen to these words and phrases I'm going to say and tell me which sound you hear. Is it A, the letter C, or is it B, the sound from NC, or is it C, the sound from CH? Now I'm going to listen to this. Ngicabanga ukucambalala. Which sound did you hear? Ngicabanga ukucambalala. That is correct, mngani. The C sound. A. Listen to this one. Ayangichaza amacici akho. Again. Ayangichaza amacici akho. Which sound or sounds did you hear? That is correct, mngani. The C sound, so A, and the CH sound, which is C. Ayangichaza, that's chaza, that's C. And amacici, that's C. That's the sound C. Very, very good, mngani. Mngani, we did a whole lot of work this week. I am very, very proud of you. Now, let's usher in the weekend with a bit of dancing. Let's move. Sukuma, shaya izandla, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, jikeleza. really, really, really great. Now, I will see you ngomsombuluko on Monday. Sala kahle.